Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of TechSpress. Today, let's talk a little bit more about the Wise card. If you travel, shop into foreign currencies, or work international, carrying your regular bank debit card is expensive, so the Wise card, formerly known as TransferWise, is one of the best multi-currency debit cards of the market. So if this application is right for you, well, maybe yes, but we don't know if the actual card is right for all of us. So in this tutorial, of course, what I'm going to be doing here is to break down the biggest advantage of the few drawbacks you needed to know about. So let's dive into the pros first, the reason why millions of people rely into this card. So first of all, I would like to talk about the pros. So number one of the pros is that we have the true mid-market rate. Traditional banks add a hidden markup of 3 to 5% to the exchange rate. So Wise uses the real rate you see into Google, meaning you save money into every single transaction regardless of the currency. Something that we already see directly here into Wise, and when you wanted to send, received, out money, you should be appearing all the rates and all the exchange and all the balance with the zero conversion fees. Something that steals it appears into our this debit card. So the pro number two is the multi-currency balance. The card is linked to more than 50 currency balances. You can instantly convert your home currencies into euros or into gens and hold it directly into your Wise account. So when you spend in Paris, it pulls directly from the euro balance with a zero conversion fee, right? Something that is going to be really amazing. Assuming, for example, that you are here directly from the United States and you go into Mexico City. When you, of course, make a purchase, this purchase will be, of course, paying with USD dollars, but it will be appearing here for Mexican peso. We will be converted automatically into dollars, and you don't have to do absolutely anything. The conversion will be done from Wise automatically. Now, something else is the free ATM withdrawals. This is of course limited, but I will be appearing into this tutorial, into this video, because Wise gives you a generous amount of free ATM withdrawals every month. It's typically 2 free withdrawals up to a certain total amount. This is a game changer when you land in a foreign country and needed immediate cash. But you might want to be taking that in mind, because it might be, of course, depending on the country currently living, and you pay only super low fee with the withdrawals out to the first 200 euros. Of course, there are a few limitations. You want to take that in mind. Something else, for example, is the local bank details. This is, for me, so far the best huge for freelancers. The Wise account comes with local bank details for 10 currencies. So this lets you get paid in foreign currencies like a local, often avoiding heavy international transfer fees from client. And if you don't know about that, it will be appearing directly here into your bank account of the Wise. If I start using an actual currency, for example Australian dollars, and I don't have an actual bank, well, Wise is going to be generating me an actual bank elements. So I have now my name, account number, BSB code, the SWIFT, the bank name, and when I receive money from Australia, it's going to be appearing here and directly into my Wise account, which I will be let's say converting and transferring into my bank local currency. Something's going to be really awesome. Now, speaking about the cons, for example, one of the biggest cons is the ATM fee after the actual limit, because it might be really amazing that we have super low fees for the ATM. It might be if it kicks in quickly, but once you exceed the 3-month withdrawal limit, Wise charges a percentage fee plus a fixed fee, and this might be a little expensive for a lot of users. Something else is the card conversion fee. So while the exchange rate is free of markup, Wise still charges a very small conversion fee when you spend the money. This is not related to the specific currency balance. It's still low, but it's not zero, which I think is something that might be needed, of course, to talk a little bit more when it comes to the cons. And no interest saving features, because Wise is a spending and transfer tool, not a bank. So the balance you hold into the Wise account, you don't earn interest, and if you hold a large amount of cash, you've missed out on the potential save interest as compared to a traditional bank. Something that you might be seeing here into your Wise when you go for out of money, and you can start, let's say, a jar, but I don't think this one actually works as local banks. And lastly, if you have an issue, support is handled primarily through chat or email, something that they don't have physical branches, emergency phone lines, major bands offer. So if you're dealing with really huge amount of money, it might be a little be worrying that you cannot contact them directly from customer support online only. So my verdict is that the Wise card is absolutely essential for almost anyone who travels deals in foreign currencies. It's not the best so far, but it will be really great exchange rate along, make it a winner. So do you use the Wise card? You can let me know into the comments below, or if you are thinking about getting one of them. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools about how we can earn money, receive money, or let's say get reviews like this. Thank you once again. See you next time.